Welcome to the Leibinger booth at PACK EXPO in Chicago. We're excited to introduce our latest breakthrough in coating and marking, the award-winning IQJET. Designed for forward thinkers, the IQJET offers unmatched efficiency, reliability, and sustainability, setting a new standard in intelligent coating solutions. At Leibinger, we understand that extraordinary projects demand outstanding tools. That's why we've pushed the boundaries for innovation with the IQJET. This year, our efforts have been recognized with prestigious innovation awards, cementing our leadership in the industry. The IQJET delivers cutting-edge performance that maximizes your production efficiency while minimizing downtime. It offers 5 years of maintenance-free operation by design, the lowest total operating cost in its class, and a true plug-and-print experience. The IQJET is also a leader in sustainability with ultra-low solvent consumption, high energy efficiency, and a compact form factor built in. Step into the future of coating and marking with the IQJET, a solution that ensures your operations run smoothly, reliably, sustainably, and most of all, profitably. Join us at booth S3936 to learn how you can elevate your packaging. Your strategic advantage begins with Leibinger.